Yeah, I was in the military for I think 1981 to 1986. I was in the army and I was in the artillery division. The first time I went to the VA and they denied right there. They said they're not doing things not associated with the Agent Orange. That's a Vietnam era, I think, Agent Orange. Like, so I was denied. When my brother referred you the trajectory and me, so I'll try it again. I'm not losing anything anyway. At first, I was just skeptical, as for being a first timer. It went quick. So you guys are great. Yeah, you guys are great. Just like really, it's been a big help to me. I was happy. I've been longing that for years. I already applied for 3 times until you guys came. Not even a year. I got my rating and just like, oh, I called my brother right away. Just like, hey, you know what I had? You give me 60%. And my brother was like, he's in the cruise that time. And just like, I called him just like, so what? Like, oh, my brother got only 40 and just like, they give me only 40 and you got 60. Like, oh, well, the fee, I don't argue with that. I think your fee is fine. Yeah, because that's the big help. See, just imagine for that fee, and I've been applying for years and years, and you guys get me only around 5 6 months, and I had my rating. I'd rather go and hire somebody, which is it get you something than the one is free but nothing happened. My experience in trajectory is really, I said, is amazing, and they're so helpful. If you need something, you can call them any time of the day. There's somebody always there to help you.